పార్టీకి సంబంధించిన మా భానుప్రకాష్ రెడ్డి గారు ఇప్పటికే మాట్లాడడం జరిగింది. ఈ విషయం చాలా బాధాకరం, అత్యంత దారుణం, అలాగే సిగ్గుచేటైన విషయం. దీనికి తప్పనిసరిగా వైకాపా ప్రభుత్వం సమాధానం చెప్పాలి. వ్యవస్థల్ని నిర్వీర్యం చేయటం, ఆ దేవదేవుడి యొక్క పవిత్రతను తగ్గించే విధంగా ఒక ప్రయత్నం చేయటం, ముఖ్యంగా తిరుమల తిరుపతి దేవస్థానం స్థాయిని దిగజార్చే విధంగా ఏ ప్రయత్నాలైతే గత ప్రభుత్వం చేసిందో వాటన్నిటికీ వాళ్ళు శిక్ష అనుభవించక తప్పదు. దీనిపైన మేము చాలా ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా తీసుకొని ముందుకెళ్తున్నాం. ఇటువంటి అంశం భక్తుల్లో కూడా కొంత నిరాశ నిస్పృహ కలిగించే అంశం కనుక ఆ విధంగానే, అలాగే ఏవైతే దేవదేవుడికి దాన రూపంలో వాళ్ళ యొక్క స్థిరాస్తులు ఇచ్చే ప్రక్రియ ఉందో దానికి సంబంధించిన వ్యవస్థలు ఏవి కూడా వీళ్లు ఫాలో కాకుండా నిర్వీర్యం చేయడం కారణంగానే ఈ పరిస్థితి ఏర్పడింది. తప్పనిసరిగా ఎవరెవరైతే దీని బాధ్యులో వాళ్ళందరినీ కూడా శిక్షించే విధంగా మరొకసారి ఇది పునరావృతం కాకుండా ఇంకా ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా టీడీడీ సంబంధించి అన్ని. టుడే ఇన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ వీఆర్ ఆర్గనైజింగ్ ఆత్మనిర్భర్ భారత్ వర్క్షాప్. దిస్ ఈస్ ఇన్ లైన్ విత్ the second Swadeshi movement that is propounded by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So India should be self-reliant should stand on its own legs. So this is a 3-month-long campaign which starts on September 25th on the eve of birth anniversary of Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya, the ideologue of Bharatiya Janata Party. So on that eve, the Swadeshi movement will be started in Andhra Pradesh in a big way, and it will end on Atal Bihari Vajpayee's birth anniversary, and that falls on December 25th. During this 90-day campaign, we'll be outreaching to all public, telling them about what kinds of self-reliant thought process should we have, how we should imbibe Swadeshi in our life, use lots of FMCG products in our daily life, use lots of products that pertain to India, which are homegrown, and all the thought process of all the public should be towards our nation building. So we want to have an Vikasit Bharat 2047. To go to that dream, we should all be self-reliant. This is a movement that we have started. We'll be having lots of rallies. We'll be going to schools and colleges telling about the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, and also the self-reliant thing because of the tariff regime that is being unleashed by America and other countries. We'll be having our own markets. We'll be seeing that what all the products we have manufactured, we exported at our own terms. So we'll be having an independent foreign policy, we'll be having independent economic policy and defense policy. This is what our Prime Minister has told us. Our leader has asked us to have a mass campaign. As a political party, Bharatiya Janata Party will also take the movement, and we'll be going on streets and we'll be connecting to every public and telling them about how the self-reliant India can be built by their own deeds. So this is a 3-month-long campaign. We started, this is a 2.0 Swadeshi movement, what Mahatma Gandhi has thought of making India sovereign. So we want to make India sovereign in all spheres. So not having a upward force on us through tariffs or some kind of visa ban and all. So we'll be having our own policies and we'll be going ahead.
So BJP has made serious allegation on YSRCP during the regime. There was money stolen. What's your say? Why do you make such serious comments?
These are not stray comments. It is a well documented thing, and the video footage of how the money has been siphoned off by people, how dollars have been converted, everything is there, and they have stock barrel, they have been red-handedly and they've got caught in this whole episode. Definitely we'll be going ahead and punishing everybody who is their part of this and the proponents of this. Some people are there outside who encourage the whole thing. And there's a policy in Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam how we take a property, how the property can be converted into Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's court. So all these policies were not followed. They have done according to their own wish and whims and fancies. So we'll be fighting against all these things, and we'll be booking everybody who's indulged in this kind of unholy thing. So we want to upkeep the santorium of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam at all costs. We'll not try to heed the movement of all the pilgrimages and also the sanctity of TD.
So YSRCP demands the CBI probe into this issue. What else?
State government is contemplating for a SIP. Will be a special investigation team will be launched, and definitely people who are there, who are conspired for this movement will be booked.